What's up, my viewers? I know say all of na go don watch that Tiwa Savage sex video where they give this girl bass blows from back and front. For those of now never watch am, oya make na check our description link. But as e be like this, information just reach me say the guy wey dey saman kwe Tiwa Savage, his name na Abolo, and all this one wey happen, e happen inside a yacht. In fact, na inside yacht the whole thing dey go down on another ship now. And this whole matter, me I hear and say everything na just PR stunt. Say this girl just one blow, now wetin make her do am. Say because before her video with Brandy go come outside, now wetin make she just say okay, make she show this one, make everybody see her. Now why when she do this video, she no allow the guy face show, so that people know go they face the guy, go they attack the guy. Say so now you they chop this our lady. But see auntie, if you they fool everybody, you see us one on one, you know go fit fool us. We will be amebo. Now amebo we they do for a living, so we don't go gather our own information. You claim say person they blackmail you, find and go they blackmail you. You no carry this matter, go report to police station. You rush, go the grant interview. They talk the unnecessary. Say I know my video is out. Yes, you know your video is out. But why be saying no go police station? Now radio station go help you solve the matter? No. And I beg, which kind blackmailer be this? Why be say the blackmailer ain't no even reach to you first? Now your road manager. Now I can't decide say he won't go send the video. We know say all blackmailers will be so that they operate. We know say normally blackmailers go first send you the video. Can't tell you okay, madam, now this kind of amount I want. If you can't decide, okay, fine, I no go pay. Now there the person go come post am. Now what to make me release and say this one a whole something dey inside. You they try protect your road manager and your boyfriend. Now what I look. Because you know say if you carry this matter go give police, say police help me investigate am. One, they go arrest that your road manager. That your so-called boyfriend where they show you the insect they go carry, and after so many resetting of slaps, are they very certain say they go come outside confess say nah them go release this video. Because are they very certain say you they hide something. But you talk saying you they very certain say I know be your boyfriend. How you take they sure? Because with the looks of it, it be like saying nah even hold the camera, they record everything. And if you know say this one, I hope blackmail, allow police do their job on this matter. Now so shut herself do. Make her no forget. In claim say they shoot her, say I'm robbers attack her. Later we realize say oh na lie. Say because in one release one year album. Now waiting make can do all this kind. I beg why be so now they behave like this. But your own, he really pay me. He pay me, reach my bone marrow because if you know the kind of love what I get for you, if you know I still like you. Now see the big shame where you don't carry for yourself. Even me as a woman, I dey shame for you. At 41, you see they show pussy to promote you. I beg. You are old enough. Stop all this kind of thing. The music, in fact, it even already turned to hit. Everybody done they sing somebody song go find me. Even me, I carry the music for head. All of us done they sing am. So I beg, what's it gonna be the need of the sex tape where we say you can't join? Say you want the trend. And until next time, I get one advice for you. Next time, if you want to do sex tape, at least do better sex tape. Make we see. What will be 10 seconds video? Why be say people no go even enjoy it? Now what even vex people pass? You know they see your fellow sex tape party, Kim Kardashian. Only they pass over 15 minutes. And people go watch and enjoy and wella. Your own, you can't do something shaking, can't they drop for us? At least if you want to do something, do and well. No go they do halfway, half work for us. Do and make all of us here and say, fine, you do this thing. In fact, you do and very, very well. And then make you not forget. You come outside, they attack she insult you, she talk bad things against you. Now, me, I really see say all the things where she talk, all of them not true. She really mean what she talk. Say true, you be grown up where be say they disrespect herself. Not true, she talk. Because remember then, now you carry this matter the way they talk say she nyash don't come outside. Say her nyash now be the dirtiest in the industry. As it be, I beg who nyash don't dirty. Oh, Nash, we can't they see entire industry now your own. Shame to you, but you know this. Now only the picking a pity jam. I just pity and say, Ingo can't come outside later. Can't they see Mama Punana? For inside TV, they run and say, so my mommy can do this kind of thing. Anyways, my people, now this story now here. Now see make her bring and come. Make us stay tuned for our next story. My people, I hear say police don't arrest the Ghanaian singer Shatta Wale. Oh, na no say na me still come as I can't talk say as e be this guy they don't shoot am. One pastor been a prophet Jesus. He prophesy say on October 18 they go shoot this guy. Truly, this one can't happen. Only for me now to come dey hear say this whole attack and everything say na prank. I don't want to talk say Shatta you don't decrease. But he reach talk say you decrease. I beg you dey okay. A whole prank say na he even plan everything. And if no be say police do their investigation, because now no say they don't even go arrest the pastor. Now there they come realize and say no shooting even happen. Everything will come out now set up. Shatter, are you well at all these ones now igbo na they cause am. Are they very certain say you don't smoke and so the thing don't change your direction of your sense? Now why you go cause wake up? Decide say you want to practice the whole nation. And I yes I say do this one now there police come declare say him they wanted. But before they go even go arrest him or God don't carry himself, go report himself by himself. I don't know if this guy the guy no even care. Well, be say people of Ghana don't they cry, they lament, say, maybe this guy don't die, oh. Maybe na him enemies now won't attack. Not knowing say him enemy, na him be himself. Now him they plan the whole bad thing for himself. They cause fake alarm, false alarm just for no reason. And in so-called mumu manager self, that was carrying her for head. They post say, thank you for checking. Me, everything say na something serious. Not knowing say, oh, now because he want release one kind of your music. Well, be say the music may not even sweet. Now what make and they do all this nonsense thing. But anyway, the attention way they find, you don't get them. But I wish say Ghana police at least make they teach you small lesson. Make they put you inside jail, make mosquito finish your destiny so that next time you no go try this one again. But all of us know say this one a celebrity, it no go happen. Last he go buy and way out of it. But I beg Mr. Shatta, no try this kind of thing next time. Will make your village people no go come purposely target you, kill you. Now warning I me I get for you, now be that. Anyways, my people, now here I will take break on this matter. Make us stay tuned for our next story.